The added impact of the pandemic is now driving food insecurity to record levels. The World Food Programme announced last week that an estimated 9.3 million people in Syria are now food insecure, up from an estimated 7.9 million people 6 months ago. As in many other countries, we're seeing the economic impact of the pandemic before we see infections peak. After an initial jump at the end of March, the average price of the National Reference Food Basket for April is 15% higher than the March average, and more than double the average recorded in April 2019. It's now higher than at any time since the crisis began. In the northwest, which relies heavily on imported goods, the Syrian pound continues to lose value against the US dollar. Local sources report that as of this morning, the exchange rate in some parts of Idlib has fallen as low as 1,950 Syrian pounds to the US dollar. That's a depreciation of 54% since the end of April. The cost of the dollar has more than trebled in the last 12 months. The rate was 570 Syrian pounds to the dollar in May 2019. The consequences of this for local communities' purchasing power are severe. In early 2020, before the economic impacts of COVID-19 were felt in Syria, an estimated 80% of people already lived below the poverty line. I note the public assurances by relevant states that their sanctions programs relating to Syria neither ban the flow of humanitarian supplies nor target medicine and medical devices. I welcome their commitments to fully and expeditiously apply humanitarian exemptions.